In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in ClickUp. Quick guide. If you've ever deleted the wrong task, moved something by mistake, or had a bit of team miscommunication that led to an item disappearing, don't worry. ClickUp gives you a couple of simple ways to reverse those changes. Start by signing in to your ClickUp account and opening your workspace. From the overview or home dashboard, head into your team space where the change happened. You can open a space, a list, or a specific task, whatever is relevant to what was removed. The idea is to get to the area where you noticed something is missing or was altered unintentionally. There are two primary ways to undo. The first is the trash. In the left sidebar, open trash to see a list of items that were recently deleted, including tasks, documents, files, and other resources. Locate the item you want to bring back. If you're looking at a long list, take a moment to scan the names or use any available filters to narrow things down. When you find it, click Restore and confirm. The item will return to its original location, keeping you on track without having to rebuild it from scratch. If you have several related items to recover, repeat the same action for each one. The second method is the quick undo prompt. Right after you delete a task or make a similar change, ClickUp shows a small undo button for a brief moment, typically at the bottom of the screen. Click it right away to instantly reverse that action. This is the fastest way to fix an accidental delete, and it saves you the trip to the trash. A quick note about comments. When a comment is deleted, it doesn't go to the trash. You'll still see a brief undo option immediately after the deletion, but once that short window passes, the comment can't be restored from trash, like tasks and docs can. So, when you're working with comments, act quickly if you need to bring something back. These same approaches work across most of your ClickUp content, tasks, docs, files, and resources, so you can confidently experiment and clean up, knowing you can restore what you need, and that's it. That's how you use undo in ClickUp. If this quick guide helped you out, consider hitting like and subscribing for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.